So, going there now. Okay, let's go. I just booked like a personal training because just wanted to like refresh my skills. Something weird and red and itchy here, but let's go. Done with the Muay Thai training. It was really good. I'm actually really happy that I did that training. I really do want to pick this up. It's just really hard to find one in Germany. So yeah, maybe when I'm back I'm gonna try to look. I actually ripped my skin. Just initially I thought after training I would go and have breakfast. But I just think that there's so much sweat and I'm so red and everything's just wet. I think I should at least, I don't know, shower. I should definitely shower, change, and yeah, just look more presentable. I think now I look a little bit like a psycho. Right? And then after that, I will go and grab lunch with my dad. As close as possible. All right. Durian Cendol. Durian Cendol. What's Cendol?
I don't know.
What's it made of? Pandan?
Pandan sticks lah, you know.
There's a fried chicken with sambal in there. So it's really spicy.
Ada SO, ada Taiwan, ada IOI, ada Musangking.
Durian dari Taiwan ah?
Bukan, dia nama.
Nama Taiwan. Just get a small one apa? Small one.
Better.
SO, ni pahit.
Ayo.
Yeah. What is that? Going to get some groceries now. Wow, it's massive. Look, this is how they actually sell coconut milk here in Malaysia. It's fresh. How cute is this? Oh, we actually have banana hanging on a big banana tree.